थिएटर में कोई गया ही नहीं। एटलीस्ट 200 दिल टूटते हैं। That's when I said okay बहुत हो गया अब। You know वो लोग कभी कभी ऐसे कर देते हैं, पोस्टर्स जो हैं सिर्फ आपके घर के बाहर होते हैं। नेगोशिएट करना तो इसीलिए भी स्टार्ट आया ना। Dance in front of the mirror to 1 2 3 and from there to dancing with her, it was insane. पर फटके हाथ में आ गई। My hair was neatly done and suddenly he came and pulled it out and Shalaka came running. She was like, sir, one line, as in he just said, what if this is a story? I said, likho.
He had a flop basically इससे पहले, but you kept your word.
Did Shujoy say that? That I could have said.
Where do you get these saris from?
I thought you were going to ask me how many saris do you have. I was like,
Namanda.
where in Kerala are you from?
Palakkad.
Palakkad, every
Putturil.
Pudangurshi. He made me feel really ugly. आमी जे तुम्हार छिन 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 वो सबके दिमाग में अटक गया है।
এখানে কি করবে?
शुरुआत एक इंट्रो से करते हैं, यू नो, इन ऑनर ऑफ आवर गेस्ट, बट आज नहीं, आज मैं आपको एक कहानी सुनाऊंगी। Many moons ago, I was fresh out of high school, newly minted uni student, basically a big girl from a small town with a bag full of insecurities. My weight was always the elephant in the room, and I had a big chip on my shoulder कि भाई कुछ तो उखाड़ना है, but I didn't know what because I had not found my power yet. Fortunately, तब तक फिल्मों से दोस्ती होनी शुरू हो गई थी, and I chanced upon an interview of Miss Vidya Balan. And mind you, she has always put the act in actress from day one. But कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना, and बहुत कुछ कहा गया इनके कॉस्ट्यूम के बारे में, हेयर स्टाइल के बारे में, वेट के बारे में, अपीयरेंस के बारे में. पर जब इनसे पूछा गया उनकी राय, you know, in the face of all the negativity and noise, she said, and she said something so profound. She said, I'm Destiny's favorite child. And I want to tell you, that line not only made me found my footing, made me fall in love with myself a little, but I made that line my entire personality. I want to tell you that. So much so that when my then boyfriend and now husband asked me कि you know, tell me a little about yourself, बड़े ही style से, बड़े ही swag से, I told him, you know what, I'm Destiny's favorite child.
I love that.
And we are married now, so thank you so much for inspiring me and many, many, many girls like me.
Oh,
ladies and gentlemen, Vidya Balan for you.
Thank you. Oh my God, that's such a beautiful story.
Yeah, and I've never looked back after that, so thank you.
More power to you.
More power to you.
Thank you. Oh wow.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes when I hear things like this, I get a bit overwhelmed, humbled. मैं तो बहुत कुछ बोलती हूँ कि उसका कोई मतलब भी है ये जान के. No jokes apart, thank you for sharing that.
As an actor, as somebody who's married to a producer, how much does you know, the box office success matter to you? Because like we discussed कि time खराब चल रहा था, पता नहीं था क्या चलेगा. So does, you know, the numbers, they obviously make a mark, right?
Very important, guys. It's a business of cinema, Sushri.
Yeah.
So for the business to keep going, we need money to come in. It's as simple as that. Commercial success is very important. There are films that don't do well, and then you tell yourself that it's okay, at least, you know, maybe you hold on to the experience, or sometimes maybe a section of the audience has liked it. But nothing tastes as sweet as commercial success.
Yeah.
You know, and yet it is in those situations when they don't work, it's gratifying when your work is appreciated. You hold on to those things because सब इतनी मेहनत करते हैं एक फिल्म में. जब फिल्म नहीं चलती ना, तो एक नहीं, एटलीस्ट 200 दिल टूटते हैं. सबसे बड़ा प्रोड्यूसर का दिल चूर चूर हो जाता है. पर I think, you know, everyone who's involved it's very tough, yeah. So then you hold on to other things. Like I did a film called Do Aur Do Pyar earlier this year.
Yeah.
And we
What a
received so
beautiful
much.
film.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We received a lot of love from people who watched it, but theater में कोई गया ही नहीं. जब OTT पे रिलीज हुई तो बहुत सारे लोगों ने
So much
देखी.
love.
But you just wonder then, I guess because people at this point, especially post-pandemic, उनको सोचना नहीं है.
Yeah.
सोचते हैं
बस
बहुत
हंसा
है
दो.
लाइफ में. हाँ, हंसो हंसाओ, खुश रहो.
Yeah.
And more than anything else ना, जब फिल्म रिलीज होती है तो आप चाहते हैं एटलीस्ट सब जगह फिल्म दिखे.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं कि वो लोग कभी कभी ऐसे कर देते हैं. पोस्टर्स जो है सिर्फ आपके घर के बाहर होते हैं.
ये होता है, ये सही में हमने सुना था, बट
कि एक्टर खुश हो जाए. पर एट द एंड ऑफ द डे उससे मैं अपना चेहरा तो आईने में भी देख सकती हूँ.
and you said a very beautiful thing as well कि the more you love yourself, the more money you will attract.
Absolutely, I've seen that happening, Sushri.
Yeah.
I remember this beautiful story my mother-in-law had told me. कि एक बहुत मतलब 30-40 साल से टेलरिंग कर रहे थे एक दर्जी. वो इन बड़े बड़े फैमिलीज में जाके कपड़े सिलवा के देते थे. And he would be like very, झुक झुक के, humble, and he'd come from out of town some 40 years ago. So they would make him wait for 2-3 hours. फिर आए एक थोड़े और अपस्केल टेलर उनके पास. और ये क्या है कि वो कहते थे कि नहीं, मेरे पास सिर्फ हाफ एन आवर है. हाफ एन आवर के अंदर मैं जब आऊँगा तो आपके मेजरमेंट्स लेके जाऊँगा. दोनों टेलर एक ही समय पे पहुँचे और इन्होंने देखा कि उनके लिए तो तुरंत मतलब सब बाहर आ गए. उन्होंने सब मेजरमेंट दिया, ट्रायल किया, वो चले गए और ये बैठे रहे. That's when he realized that, when you value your own time, that man was asked for tea. The old tailor wasn't even offered tea.
Yeah.
That man was charging more. So they valued him more. So these are things. I remember when my mother-in-law told me this story a few years ago, I was like, really? I always thought that, achai gets valued more. But I think value begets value. That's the only.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
Very
because if
true.
we don't value ourselves, ना, किसी को नहीं पड़ी है.
But कभी आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ that you wanna like, this is my value, this is what I bring to the table, and this is what I will charge, and then कि अरे मैम को बोलो थोड़ा negotiate करें and all those things.
Negotiate करना तो इसीलिए we start higher ना. Always.
Yeah. वो इंडियननेस है.
हाँ, अगर
Negotiation.
आप सिंगदाना भी खरीद रहे हो गाड़ी में बैठ के, बस में बैठ के, जो भी है, अगर वो 15 रुपए का बोलता है तो आप बोलोगे 2 कितने का दोगे, तो वो बोलेगा 20. तो एक्चुअली ही स्मार्ट, उसको 10 रुपए का ही बेचना था. तो यही है. दिस आई थिंक यू स्टार्ट हायर एंड देन यू मेक देम फील लाइक, अच्छा, फॉर योर सेक आई एम
Yeah.
okay, I'll do it at this much. It's
My
fine.
generosity just.
Yeah, really. You're special. कोई ऐसा special नहीं होता.
Lovely.
Yeah.
But the reels. Oh my God. We have seen the reels, right? That is so much fun, and it सच में ऐसा लगता है we get to see a different side of you. Others मतलब वो आपकी टीम आपसे कराती है कि आप खुद करते हैं वो reels?
नहीं, मैं खुद करती हूँ मेरे टीम के साथ.
हाँ.
पर actually a year ago I went off Instagram because
Right.
मैं ना सिर्फ reels ही देख रही थी. So I
How
told-
long can you doom scroll?
I've done it for hours at a stretch. I remember I was in London once and I started watching reels at 10 o'clock. I was shooting the next morning and I realized it's 1. That's when I said, okay, बहुत हो गया अब. But they send me reels now because I don't have Instagram, and then I select whatever I like. And you know how it is, na? They send you one reel, then you keep scrolling. Then you still check out. So I decide what I like. They send me what they like. And then whatever makes me feel like, okay, I'm going to have fun with this, I do it.
Yeah.
And उसके लिए मैं कोई एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट नहीं करती. अगर इवेंट के लिए तैयार हुई तो उस कॉस्ट्यूम में एक रील करके मैं निकल जाती हूँ.
Which is all, I mean, हम भी खुद करते हैं वो, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, get ready with me and all of those things.
No, those I don't do, but I'm saying I get ready, do a
Yeah.
comic reel.
But एक और spot तो आपने कर लिया, which is like dancing with the Madhuri Dixit,
Yeah.
right? How was that like?
That was incredible. You know, I used to dance in front of the mirror to Ek Do Teen.
Yeah.
And from there to dancing with her, it was insane. पर फट के हाथ में आ गई पहले लगा कि यार ये अनीस भाई और भूषण कुमार क्या कर रहे हैं? पहले तो मुझे बताया था कि ये मेरा गाना है, तो I was already wondering कि ये इसको अलग कैसे करेंगे, because that song has given me so much. And then they up it. You know, even the last time around, I had to dance with someone, with Vineet,
Yeah.
who's been a dancer since the age of
Trained.
4.
Yeah.
And he was incredible and I had to match steps with him. So this time I said, इस time तो इस बार मैं अकेली हूँ, मैं जो करना है करूँगी. And then they say, you know, we're wondering if you'll do this with Madhuri Dixit.
And
I
ये
was like,
script
what?
में पहले नहीं था, right? This was
नहीं,
not in the
script में
script.
नहीं था.
Yeah. अब बारी है हमारे हीरो आर्क की. We're going to look at some of your beautiful performances
Okay.
and then have a chat about it.
Sure.
Guys, let's look at the first scene.
You said beautiful performances.
Yes.
कोई है? Sweetie, such bad acting.
मेरे कान में वायलिन बजने लगा।
तो है बोल नहीं सकती थी
Listen, we had to start with Radhika. The eye roll was on point.
But when I look at myself, I'm like, I've not done bad for myself.
I mean-
I haven't done badly for myself in life, because look at that. So awkward and so.
But how old were you here?
I was 16 and a half.
Wow.
And you know, when
What
I
a
look back
journey.
today, हमारे कुछ costumes नहीं होते थे. यहाँ एक stand पे टंगे हुए होते थे, and we had to go and just pick up whatever. And I remember lines वहीं पे देते. And it was like, I didn't know anything, but it was a great experience working
Yeah.
with all of them. But I learned a lot on this show. I did a show before this,
Right.
but it didn't release.
Hmm.
Izzat bach gayi. But this was, but it's amazing, you know, people love Hum Panch, and despite me.
Come on, you're just being hard on yourself now. It was such an iconic character.
I think it was just an iconic show and I benefited from being on it. And thank you, Ekta Kapoor, for that.
Yeah, yeah.
It's just incredible. This is the other thing that people, they keep doing reruns on Z. And people keep telling me, हमने कल ही देखा है. And I'm like, क्यों देखा भाई?
Let's move on to the next scene. Oof.
मैं मूला रूज नहीं गई थी।
क्यों?
कहीं गई हूँ तुमसे बिना पूछे। हमेशा डांटते रहते हो।
ललिता,
मामा जी और गिरीश में बात हुई। उन्होंने लौटाए पैसे, मैंने क्या किया?
I'm sorry.
What an iconic character again. Like, you know, for the longest time, बहुत लोगों को लगा बंगाली है because
अभी
the
भी
way
लगता है.
because of the way Pradeep Da presented you.
Yeah. And I don't think anyone after has presented me as well as he did.
Yeah.
When I look at this also, I feel यार कुछ चीजें अलग हो सकती थी in terms of my performance, but I think it is a beautiful film. But guess what I was noticing? Can you see those? That's missing, the latkans on the. So I was only noticing that, saying,
कि
आज
कहाँ
तक
गया वो?
मैंने ये क्यों नहीं देखा?
No, but I mean, Rona bhi, I've not seen anyone cry so beautifully.
Oh, thank you.
This is also, I mean, this is also cinema. Did you use glycerine? Kaisa tha? Did you just cry on cue?
No, you know, I used to cry on cue, but Dada would do retakes and retakes and retakes. 7-8 take के बाद आप रो नहीं सकते. You're spent. So I have to tell you one little story.
Yeah, please.
We were shooting Raat Hamari Tu in Parinita, and first few takes, jump के मैं रोई, फूट के रोई, सब हुआ. But he kept doing take after take after take. After I think 7, 8, 10 takes, I said my eyes stopped watering. So my then makeup artist Vidyadhar Bhatte, he said, okay, I'll give you glycerine. He gave me glycerine, and Dada wanted my tear to drop at a particular point. अब वो कभी पहले होता कभी बाद में होता. Exactly at that point कभी नहीं होता. There was a beat and he wanted it to fall. Finally we did 28 takes. And at the end of it, my face swelled up, my eyes swelled up. So Dada told Vidyadhar, क्या किया है? You know, अब आंखें सूज गई है. He said, Dada इतना glycerin लिया है, आंखें तो सूजेंगी. So he's saying, क्या है glycerin? So he said, मैं आपको दिखा. He actually put glycerin in Dada's eye and Dada was jumping around. He said, bhai, maan gaye. Then he didn't, you know, Dada used to shout at me a lot. He was my mentor.
Yeah.
So, and then he said, acha, abhi I'll be careful. But not that he ever took lesser number of takes because of that. He was a perfectionist. So, but it's a very funny story कि उस दिन उनको realize हुआ कि glycerin लेके क्या होता है, कैसे जलती है आंखें.
I swear. चलिए अगला सीन देखते हैं.
क्यों नहीं जा सकती मैं?
क्योंकि मैंने ना कहा इसीलिए.
दीदी बिना आज दुर्गाष्टमी है. तेरा गला काट के तेरा खून पीना है. तेरे मुर्दे पे मुझे ताने खाने की कोरबे.
Oh my God!
Vidya, that is Saloni. Saloni, that is Vidya. Thank you.
वाह क्या बात है.
Oh my God! Even I got scared and I knew this was happening.
I was happily looking there and suddenly she appeared. Too good, Saloni.
हमने सोचा थोड़ा स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स करते हैं.
हाँ बिल्कुल, I like it. आजकल हर कोई मंजुलिका बन रहा है, पता है?
Yeah. It's a Halloween character.
Yeah. No, and I think it's unleashing that part of us that has been
Lying dormant.
Yeah, exactly.
Lovely. But again, what a character. इसके लिए तालियां बनती हैं, please.
There was no conversation with Priyank sir or anything. You would be given the scene and he would trust you to do what is required.
He's a man of few words.
Few words and just he would, if I remember, Shalaka will remember, he in that climax, no, he came, my hair was neatly done and suddenly he came and pulled it out and Shalaka came running. She was like, sir. He said, wait, you know, she's possessed. It has to be all over the place like that. He just pulled it out and he told me one thing. He said, imagine you're an animal. And that's all he said and went to me. And the rest of the scene, I just followed that cue. So, you know, I find it amazing when directors give you just the right kind of cue.
Yeah.
It was, but we had fun. Pata hi nahi tha ki, and with Akshay and I have a lot of fun together always.
Yeah.
You know, we get along very well. I think it's, you know, that time it was a psychological thriller. Now it's a horror comedy. The genre has sort of expanded and it's interesting that people have accepted
both.
All three.
All three, yeah, actually. Here's an important question. जब आप अगर गाना गा रही थी, सुन रही थी, हमारे साथ ऐसा होता है कि हम गाते हैं आमी जे तोमार छिन छिन छिन.
Yeah.
So do you sing chin chin chin?
Yes.
Because it's important.
Yes,
it's
absolutely. Because Akshay did that, no? In one of the scenes, he said, "Ami je tumar chin chin." वो सबके दिमाग में अटक गया है.
It's like a earworm kind of a situation.
Yeah.
But again, what a lovely film. इसके लिए तो मुझे फोर्स नहीं करना चाहिए.
Thank you.
चलिए अगला सीन देखते हैं.
तेरे जाने वाले ना सामने के चारों तो बैठते हैं, पीछे की 40 रोज मेरी है.
फिल्में सिर्फ 3 चीजों की वजह से चलती है: एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट.
What a juicy character. Like, did you just latch on to it कि भाई इसको तो अब मैं नहीं छोड़ूंगी?
हाँ बिल्कुल. पहले जब मिलन लूथरा आए तो मुझे लगा गलत दरवाजे पे आए. अभी आ गए तो मैंने पकड़ लिया. I never felt as sexy. Of course, I just met Siddharth also, I want to point out. But I feel that ये बेबाकी जो है ना उसमें Silk made me bebak. She made me enjoy myself. I remember there was a scene in which I was also, we were working such crazy schedules in between. I think I shed some weight. And then, but Milan Luthria wanted tires.
Yeah.
So I remember it was a scene where I get on top of the car. And I, outside the Naila's house, outside the journalist's house. And Milan said, but your stomach is not looking...
The tires are missing.
Yeah, the tires are missing. So what do you do? And we were losing light. So I went quickly, Shalaka and me, went into a corner and tightened, and Niharika Khan was doing costumes, tightened the trousers as much as we could. It was, then we got more holes drilled into the belt to make it as tight as possible. Jitna sab kuch tha wo
bulge ho taki.
और उसके बाद मुझे लगा कि यार ये सब करके बड़ा दिखे, अगर मुझे इतना लोग कह रहे हैं सेक्सी सेक्सी सेक्सी,
मुझे लोग
बोले तो फिर being big is great.
Yes, it is. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए उसके लिए. चलिए अगला सीन देखते हैं. What a reveal.
Yeah.
You know what a reveal.
The craziest reveal, I think, to
Ever.
date. But Sujoy Ghosh.
Yeah.
He's a madman, and I say that with absolute affection.
Yeah.
What a brilliant man. You know, and to have... I remember when he narrated it to me as a one line.
One line?
One line. As in, he just said, what if this is a story? I said, likho. He wrote it, and then it just, when it released, it just blew, you know.
I have let out a loud collective gasp. जो मुझे याद है अभी भी मैं कॉलेज में थी, मैं देखने गई थी, and we have all like, what happened?
Yeah. Because when he kicks her in the stomach,
Yeah.
and you're kicking a pregnant woman,
Yeah.
and the audience was anyway like, and then it came like, so it was, what a moment, and one of those films that changed the landscape for
Absolutely.
female roles.
Absolutely.
You know, it's just-
Everyone wanted to do a kahani.
Yeah, and Dirty Picture followed by Kahani, you see.
Yes.
So it was just one of those magical times.
Yeah. And you know, Sujoy Ghosh was actually on our show.
हाँ.
देखा नहीं है तो जाके देखो, Bombay Dreams. He's actually said that you've changed your costumes in your car. Your car was your vanity.
Yeah.
And he also pointed out कि आप किसी भी moment पे ना बोल सकती थी because you had this big success and he had a flop basically इससे पहले, but you kept your word. You
Did Sujoy say that? That I
Yeah.
could have said no?
No, you could have. You could have because
I should have then. No, but you know, when I'm doing a film, I think we're all part of the team, right? We're all making it happen. We're all working towards the same thing. There's mad passion, and Kahani was made on a shoestring budget. I want to tell you, we shot 63 or 64 days with barely 1 or 2 days break in between.
Wow.
But it was a certain madness. We were doing so much guerrilla shooting. We were going into the Durga Puja pandals.
Vidya Vakchi.
Yeah. And you know, people are not expecting me as Vidya Balan to walk into a pandal.
Yeah.
And then I'm pregnant. So they would sometimes look at me and they'd be like, dekha dekha lag raha hai. And then the cameraman would be following from behind, you know. It was literally a clandestine shoot, but it was so much fun. The adrenaline rush.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say no to Sujoy for anything, and not to anyone when you're part
Yeah.
of a film.
Yeah.
You're
in for the ride.
Yeah, exactly. You just want to do everything to bring a moment alive and to live
and
it.
You have consistently, like I said, you've consistently pushed the envelope for yourself, for your peers. So thank you so much for this beautiful characters and what a journey. ये यहाँ पे होता है. अभी हम game खेलेंगे.
अच्छा.
It's a fun game. I don't know what it's called, but I'll brief you. उनको 2 minutes चाहिए, so you can fix up the stage. ये अब देखना नहीं पर.
नहीं कैसे देखूंगी मैं? नहीं मैं तो इनसे आंख लड़ा रही थी. Guys, I love you guys.
मुझे पता पता नहीं गेम का नाम क्या है, बट आई विल स्वाइप पिक्चर्स, आई विल गिव यू क्यूज और आपको गेस करना है वो क्या है.
Guess what is the name of
Guess
the game?
what? Yes, perfect. पहला वाला guys no helping. हाँ.
They're not. They're smiling at me. Beautiful
So
smile.
पहला वाला है गोविंदा जी का गाना है. हम बीच पे बैठ के खाते हैं और स्नैक.
भेलपुरी.
Yes.
You're not bad. इस पे भी चेंज हुआ?
हाँ, इस
मुझे
पे भी
ऐसे-
हुआ.
अच्छा.
आपको हाँ. There's an animal. बहुत तेज भागता है. The fastest animal basically.
Leopard.
नहीं, दूसरा वाला.
चीता.
जी, जी. ओह. इनको पानी से डर लगता है. इनको पानी से डर लगता है और लाल कलर के हैं. हाँ, चोटी भी है, चोटी भी है.
छोटा पंडित.
जो ये इसमें येलो पंडित है.
या येलो व्हाइट सब रह चुके हैं वो.
अभी हमने बात की प्रदीप दा, इफ आई कैन से, लोलिता.
परिणीता. बड़े सिंपल सवाल हैं.
Spoke too soon. वेजिटेरियंस का चिली चिकन. अच्छा क्लू था, राइट? वेजिटेरियंस का
मशरूम.
किथे चलिए डैश बन के.
गोभी बन के.
हाँ तो
गोभी बन के.
हाँ नहीं, वो पहला वर्ड.
गोभी मंचूरियन.
जिंगल बेल्स, जिंगल बेल्स,
जिंगल ऑल द वे.
क्या होता है वो?
क्रिसमस ट्री.
यस, क्रिसमस ट्री.
Have I won?
You
Where's the
have.
hand?
यार क्या
वो
करें?
घुंघरू ही दे दो.
बट एक्चुअली क्या कितना सुंदर आके खत्म हुआ इधर. आई मीन थैंक यू अगेन फॉर दिस कैरेक्टर एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग सच अ
Thank
स्पोर्ट.
you.
वी लव यू गाइस. विद्या बालन फॉर यू.
She's forcing you all to say that.
I am not, really not. And they want to ask a few questions,
Of
right?
course. मैं खड़ी होती हूँ तो फिर I start posing.
Yeah, the Sukumar, not that I can do. बस बन गया मेरा modeling portfolio. चलिए guys, please.
Hi Vidya,
Hi.
I'm Anushka. So nice to meet
Hi,
you.
Anushka.
I'm a
Same
big
here.
fan.
Thank you.
Big fan. In fact, I want to tell you that Bhool Bhulaiya is literally, I remember watching it when I was 7 in the theaters. I was shit scared.
Really?
And I just watched it with my mom and my dad, my entire family at 25. And it still gets me shit scared.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank
It's
you.
just a cult favorite. It's such a family-friendly movie, with it being extremely scary. But at the same time, it was also one of the first movies that I watched that introduced psychological horror and mental illness awareness
Yeah.
into cinema. And I think that was one of the movies that got me into learning psychology as well in college.
Oh,
I was
wow.
actually very interested about it. And I learned about it, and that's how I got into college. So I thank you for that, and thank you for the thrill that the movie gave me.
Thank
honestly.
you. Please watch Bhool Bhulaiya 3. I know you haven't watched it. And little did professors know that the way to get people to join psychology was to actually show them Bhool Bhulaiya.
Hi Vidya, I'm Devika.
Hi,
Huge
Devika.
fan.
Thank you.
We all love you. We love your films, but we also love your sari collection.
Oh,
So we want to know, all of us here, where do you get these saris from? Like, what is your go-to place?
you know, I actually don't go get saris from anywhere. Of course, my stylists who wore What When, they source the best saris from across the country, from designers from all over the country, but also from weavers. And I get gifted a lot of saris. And it's just amazing because, you know, I love wearing saris. And sometimes the weavers send their saris to me directly. And those are very precious for me because there's so much effort that goes into it. And if, you know, even if I don't have an event, sometimes I'll just wear a sari, do a picture and then send it to them because they feel happy.
They feel special.
Yeah, I feel the sari makes you look
Sexiest.
sexiest. And अगर सभ्य बनना है तो cover कर लो अगर.
Entertainment.
It's
Thank
such
you.
a versatile garment,
It
but
is.
thank you.
It is.
I thought you were going to ask me how many saris do you have. I was like,
Do you have a count?
I have about 25. I don't keep.
Wow.
Yeah, I don't keep. Once I've worn a sari, then, you know, either I return it to the designer or then I gift it away because, you know, it should be used. It's a lot of
Yeah.
hard work to just keep it in.
Plus then वो खराब हो जाते हैं आप उनको जितना
Exactly.
रखते हैं.
And I stay near the sea, तो वो उसमें ना yellow वो spots भी पड़ जाते हैं.
Right,
तो-
right.
I have a question. Hi Vidya, Kritika here.
Hi Kritika.
Big fan.
Thank you.
Okay. I've seen you as this badass girl from The Dirty Picture to Kahani to all sorts of films that you've done. But I want to know the first moment where you felt that you're fearless and badass. Apart from the movies, probably a childhood memory or a teenage memory where you felt that you're the badass girl and you're fearless.
Interesting question.
Yeah, it is. And I'm going to have to think about this. But I think, so I'll tell you what was badass. So, this producer replaced me in a film and he was not nice about it. You know, by all means replaced, but he made me feel really ugly. I remember I went to meet him with my parents and he said, does she look like a heroine from any angle? And acting nahi aati, dance nahi aati, blah, blah, blah. I was like, aapko kaise pata? Because mujhe sach mein dance nahi aati. No, jokes apart. At that time, he replaced me and I was feeling ugly for almost 6 months. I would not look at myself in the mirror when I got ready, right? And then after Munna Bhai released, he came back to me with a film offer.
He wanted to sign you.
Yeah, he wanted to sign me and I said to him, sure, I'll give you my manager's number, please speak to him. And that I felt, that was one of those moments when you feel ki,
अब आया ऊंट पहाड़ के नीचे.
yes, bilkul.
Anybody else?
Hi Vidya, I'm Srinath.
Hi Srinath.
I have sort of two questions. The first one is, I don't know if you consider it your hometown, but do you visit Palakkad? And the second question is, what language do you prefer? Is it Tamil, is it Malayalam, or is it that hybrid?
Where in Kerala are you from?
Palakkad.
Palakkad, evade?
Puttur.
Pudangurshi.
Illa, I mean, I don't want to leak where my building is, but it's
No, because my father comes
Yeah.
from Puttur. My father came here at the age of 16. You know, and my mother was born and brought up here, though she is from Guruvayur. So we visit once in a while. Until the pandemic, we were going almost once every 2 years. Now, since the pandemic, it's happened just once. But yeah, Palakkad is my nard.
So my second question was,
Language?
Yeah.
Actually, we are Tamilians from Kerala.
exactly, yes.
We are what they call the Tambrams,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
So, from Palakkad. So, we speak Tamil, but it has a lot of Malayalam in it. And Manasulam.
എനിക്ക് നന്നാ മനസ്സിലാവും. I mean, I speak the same language as well, so it's why I asked,
Okay,
yeah.
okay. Great.
समझ में नहीं आया but मजा आया. अब मैं फिर से बोलूंगी
She's
आपका, but
she's saying done.
back up. Thank you so much. Guys, a huge round of applause for the Vidya Balan.
Thank you.